If you want to study and live in Germany, you need to have a health insurance. It is law for all Germans, and there is no way to stay here officially without health insurance. But why do you actually need it? What you can do with your health insurance and how to book an appointment with a doctor. In this video, I will explain everything you need to know about health insurance as a student. So let's start with the basics. You need health insurance to receive medical help in Germany. So in case of some emergencies, accidents, you are guaranteed that you will receive medical help. And as well, in some basic cases when you just catch a flu, you also will receive medical help. So when you feel unwell, you need to go general practitioner. In German it's called Hausarzt, and there you report about your illness, receive medical care, some advice what you should do next, and also you can receive there some documents, some confirmations that you was ill, and in German it's named Krankenbescheinigung, and you can submit it to your employer or to university. For example, if you miss some exam or project presentation, or you are not able to go to your work, you can submit this Krankenbescheinigung, and this is official confirmation from a doctor. You have some problem and you are not sure to which doctor you should go. First of all, you go to the general practitioner, to Hausarzt, and Hausarzt will direct you further to which doctor you need to go. Doctors that have special direction, medical directions, they are named Facharzt in German, for example dermatologist or surgeon, and usually you can go there after consulting with Hausarzt. But if you are certain that you need to go, for example, to dentist or dermatologist, you can go there without visiting Hausarzt. But in some cases you can be asked whether you have visited your Hausarzt before. So if you are not unsure, it is better to go to Hausarzt firstly. Now a very common question is how to book an appointment with a doctor in Germany. So there are multiple ways how to do it. You can Google it, or you can use Google Maps. For example, you can type a specialist that you need and find someone in the area where they live, and after that you can contact them using provided contact information. And usually it is better to call them rather than going in person or writing in the mail. So there are several websites and platforms where you can search for a specialist. For example, for Hessen is a federal state where I live. There is this website Arzthessen.de where you can search for a specialist according to several filters, and I believe the same websites exist for other federal states. And also when you are insured with Techniker Krankenkasse, TK, this is an insurance company in Germany, it's quite popular, and TK also provides a function of searching for specialists in your area, and this service is available all around Germany. You also need to know that Arzthessen.de is available right now only in German, unfortunately, but Techniker Krankenkasse service is available in English as well, so you can search there in English, and all interface is translated in English as well. Another option is using certain apps. For example, Dr. Lib app offers you a service for searching specialists in the area where they live, and you also can book an appointment there. Unfortunately, Dr. Lib functions only in German right now, but you can book an appointment there, while in TK and Arzthessen.de websites you can only search for a specialist, but you need to contact them by phone or mail or in person. There is no online booking service. It is important to note that indeed in Germany there are not so many doctors, and you can wait a long time before visiting a doctor, several weeks or even months or more. So keep it in mind and plan your time accordingly. But if you have an emergency and you don't have time to wait, you can go to the practice and explain your situation, explain this is an emergency and you do not have time, and usually you will receive medical help in a really short period of time. Also, there is a very helpful app, Teleclinic. There you can book an online appointment with a specialist when you don't have time to wait. And in my case, I had an appointment just the next morning, and there you will have online conversation with the doctor. But it is important to understand if you have some difficult case that require in-person examination by a specialist, the teleclinic can't help you in such cases because it's only online consultation. Another common question is what is covered by your health insurance, and according to the website it is said that public health insurance offers a basic mandatory coverage plan which includes inpatient and outpatient services, emergency care, examinations and some dental and vision care. In case of dentist, it's important to understand that your health insurance cover general examination and tooth extractions, and if you want your teeth to be treated and filled, you need to pay around 100 euros extra for it. Interestingly, you can also visit a psychotherapist. Mental care, mental help is also covered by German health insurance. But as well as for other narrowly focused specialists, you can wait a long time before you will have your appointment with a psychotherapist or other doctors. So keep it in mind. And usually when you are not sure whether a certain service is covered by your health insurance, it's always better to ask. I believe that there are more competent and honest professionals that will say you directly that you need to pay extra. In some cases they can say that they do not know and you need to contact your insurance provider to find out. What you need to do on your first visit to a doctor: first of all, you need to go there in advance because on your first visit you need to fill in some documents, and also do not forget your insurance card, this plastic card with your photo information and chip. With this card, your data can be recognized and added to the practice system, so it's very important to take it with you to every doctor visit. So regarding the importance of German, usually there are many multilingual doctors in Germany, and you can find information about languages that they speak online on some websites, or if you contact the practice via telephone or in person, you can always ask them about this. If unfortunately you are not able to find a specialist who speaks English or your native language, you can always bring a person who speaks German with you that will help you with the translation. Also, you can translate some phrases and medical terms in advance and learn them before your visit. So that's it for today. Hope this video was helpful for you. Have a nice end of the day. Bye.